BrewTubers Malt Experiment Tasting number 5 up next.
This is the 2025 BrewTubers Online Brewers Club Malt Experiment, Amber Ale. Thanks to our sponsors. 5 Star Chemicals. Check out their new online straight-to-consumer homebrew shop where you can buy everything from Star Sand and Line Cleaner to the new liquid PBW that can be used at temperatures as low as 58 degrees Fahrenheit. Check out their online store at 5starchemicals.com/home-brewing. Beer and Wine Hobby Homebrew Supply Store. A local homebrew shop in Danvers, Massachusetts. Order any malt they offer in any quantity you want, and if you order before 11 a.m., they'll package your items and ship out the very same day. Visit the store at www.beer-wine.com. Let's get tasting.
All right, folks. Tasting number 5. As you can see, it's a different location. It's too cold in the tasting arena right now. So we've moved down to the Gamdud grain room / sticker exhibit / bat cave. But tasting number 5, let's do it. We're doing Matt from Irondale Brewing. He picked Amber Malt, Simpsons Amber Malt for his variable. Should be biscuity and dry, according to them. So, we'll see. As always, I'm going to throw the recipe right here. Also, it'll be down in the description and links to Matt's channel. Check him out. Yeah, I'll say let's get into this tasting. So like I said, he went with Simpsons Amber Malt, 12.6%. It's kind of a decent amount, so we should be able to tell if it does anything to this base recipe. Check the hiss pop. Sounds good. Let's give it a pour. Absolutely perfectly carbonated. Which kind of got a different lighting situation down here too, so bear with me, but the color is spot on. Crystal clear. Beautiful head. Nice tight bubbles. I can smell it already. Looks delicious, really. Head is off-white like all the other ones. Just a bit off-white. I think it's coming through. But let's give it a sniff. Yeah, so I'm getting malty, roasty. Not getting any biscuit. I'm getting kind of a little bit of a fruity note with it. Like plum. Plum. I don't know, there's something in there, I can't quite place it, but it smells really good. It's got like a sweet malty smell, which I know you can't smell sweetness, but And like a little bit of like a chocolate or like a roasty chocolatey note too in there. Oh, it smells really good. Not getting any hop aroma, I don't think. But just really malty. I can tell by the smell it's going to be deliciously malty. So let's go in for a taste. Cheers. Absolutely delicious. The malt smacks you in the face. And it has like a nice malty medium mouthfeel that the perfect carbonation level is like really helping it not be too coating on the palate. But definitely all malt on this one for me. Maybe a little bit of the biscuity, but mostly malty, stone fruit, a smidge. I don't know. It's got a malty, caramely sweetness. Delicious. And I need to step up my descriptor game. Yeah, I'm really searching to find any biscuit in this, but there's a bunch of other flavors layered in there, so it's not like it's missing it. It might just be me where I'm not getting it. But whatever it's doing it awesomely. Because this is my new favorite of the tastings. Super smooth. Like I said, medium to medium light mouthfeel. And maybe that's where the malt did bring in a little bit of dryness to help on the back end of that tasting, because I mean, look, you just want to keep drinking it. It's delicious. Yeah. So appearance, great. Head, awesome. Flavor, amazing. Mouthfeel, perfect. Excuse me. What else? That's it. We have a new number one, ladies and gentlemen. Simpsons Amber Malt. From Matt, Irondale Brewing. The golden voice of Washington. Irondale, Washington. But seriously, go check out his channel. He's got a lot of cool stuff going on over there. Plus, he sounds really good. So just go check out. You don't even have to watch it. Just put it on and listen. Or watch it too, whatever. But like and subscribe. Most importantly, go over to BrewTubers. Check out what's going on over there. We got experiments going on, happy hours, all that stuff. But first, let's get to the rankings. I got a little bit left in here. We go over to the ranking shelf. We'll scooch them on down since we've got a new number one. Irondale, number 1. I'm just realizing as I'm saying it out loud that I just ranked it because I like this one a lot. But I'm going with it. Okay? I don't know if it really changed it from the base that much. But there's no going back now. It's number 1. You'll have to go back and watch all the videos to see where I went wrong. But anyways, there's no reason to not have a beer in my hand. Matt, number 1.
Hundahuta Brewing.
Doghouse, number 2. Wrecked, number 3. Rigger Brewing, number 4. And we got Fermentation Adventures, bringing up the rear. Kidding. He did the base, knowingly or unknowingly. He contributed the base beer. So, hope you enjoyed that tasting as much as I did. Get you some Simpsons Amber Malt. Throw it in your amber ale, brown ale, stouts, porters, whatever. Because it seems to be pretty good. Actually, I'd be interested to see if he uses this in anything else he sent me. Any lighter beers. But that's a future video. So, yeah. Check out all the videos and do all the stuff I already told you to do. Alright? See you in the next video. Cheers. I hope I had sound that